Hey guys, Jacob Drojan here. Today I'll show you how to connect your AirPods to your Xbox. So first, what you want to do is log on to your Xbox. Next, go to Settings and go down to Devices and Connections. Then go to Remote Features and make sure that you've enabled the remote features. And once you've done that, go onto your phone and open up the App Store. Next, search for Xbox and then download the Xbox app. Once it's downloaded, press on Open. Next, tap on Sign In, and once you've logged into your account, open up your AirPods and wait for them to show up on your screen. Then tap on Connect and hold on the back button until it connects. And then press on Continue. So then press on the Xbox at the top right corner and press on Remote Play on this device. Then press on Continue, and you also need to make sure that you have your Xbox controller connected to your phone. I made a video on how to do that. The link for it will be in the description. So now, as you can see, your Xbox will be streaming onto your phone, and because your AirPods are connected to your phone, all of the audio from your AirPods will come from your Xbox.